Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video we would like to discuss about scope of operation management. We have already discussed about operation management and operating system. And now scope of operation management. See, operation management concern with conversion of input into output. Operation management concern with conversion of input into output using what physical resources, using physical okay conversion of input into output using physical resources. Okay, so as to provide the desired utilities to whom, to customer, while meeting the other organizational objective of effectiveness, efficiency and adaptability. So as to provide the desired utilities to the customer. Okay, conversion of input into output using physical resources so as to provide the desired utility to the customer. The main objective of the operation management is belongs to the satisfaction of customer, and here also scope of management define the same: conversion of input into output using physical resources so as to provide the desired utility to the customer. Clear? While meeting the other organizational objectives of effective efficiency and adaptability. Okay, then it distinguishes itself from other functions so as like personnel, marketing, finance, etc., by its primary concern for conversion by using physical resources. So what do we know about scope of operation management? First thing is conversion of input into output using physical resources. Using physical resources so as to provide the desired utility to the customer. Conversion of input into output using physical resources so as to provide the desired utility to the customer. Okay, so activities which are listed in scope of operation management is, then what are the activities of operation management, scope of operation management? First one is location of facilities. Location of facilities. Okay. Second one is plant layout and material handling. Plant layout and material handling. Next, product design. Product design, then process design, then production planning and control, then quality control, okay, then very important materials management, then maintenance management. So these are the main activities which are listed under scope of operation management. Okay, these are first location of good facilities, then plant layout and material handling, then product design, then process design, then product planning and control, then quality control is equal QC, ये आ गया आपका PPC, प्रोडक्शन प्लानिंग एंड कंट्रोल, material management, maintenance management. Okay, okay, so now these all 8 points are very important activities of scope of operation management. So as we know that scope of operation management means operation management concerned with the conversion of input into output using physical resources so as to provide the desired utilities to the customer while meeting the other organizational objective of effectiveness, efficiency and adaptability. It distinguishes itself from other functions so as which is personal, marketing, finance, etc. by its primary concern for conversion of input into output by using physical resources, and the activities which are listed under production and operation management functions are location of facilities, plant layout and material handling, product design, process design, product planning and control, PPC, quality control QC, material management, then maintenance management. So you can write in shortcut for revision L P4, then Q M2, L P4 Q M2. L means location of facilities. Again, P4 means first plant layouts and material handling. Then P for product design. Then P for process design. Then P for production planning and control. Production planning and control. Okay, these are P4. This one is L, location of facilities. Then plant layout and material handling, product design, process design, then production planning and control. This is called P4. Again Q for quality control. Again M2 means material handling, material management and maintenance management. This is it. Very easy and very simple to remember. This is the shortcut formula. L P4, then Q, then M2. Okay. L for location of facilities, then plant layout and material handling, then product design, then process design, then production planning and control, then quality control, then M2 material management, maintenance management. This is it, all about scope of operation management. Thank you so much for watching.